Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm back again to say thank you to you all, most especially you all that watch all my video for the rice recipes. Guys, well done, thank you so much. I so much appreciate, guys. You guys were always there for me, supporting me. So guys, I so much appreciate for all the rice. We cook a lot of rice, different rice throughout the week. It was just rice. So thank you guys. So today we are going to make goat meat stew. So these are the ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. So guys, as you can see, I have my sunflower oil, Scotch bonnet, tomato paste, Maggi, thyme, Aromat, and these are the goat meat that I'm going to use. I just bought this goat meat from a friend. So I have nutmeg, salt, ginger, garlic, and these 2 red onions, and I have also 2 sweet pepper, 1 bell pepper, tomato plum. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to use for this wonderful recipe. So guys, if this is your first time you've been in this channel, you're welcome to my channel. Feel free to watch the video. For my love and wonderful subscribers, old subscribers, thank you for stopping by today. I so much appreciate. So now let's get started. So I've washed all the ingredients. That is the one I want to blend. I've washed them and I chopped them into a little pieces. I just want to blend all together. So I'm just blending them together. So now I'll pour it inside my pot because my tomato is already there. Just pouring the one that I blend, pour in there. So then I'll leave it to cook until the water gets dried. I just add a little salt. So while we are waiting for the tomatoes to cook, so I just want to salt my goat meat. Then I add the onion. Then I also add 1 Scotch bonnet if you feel like you can do it. I just want the goat meat to have some hot spicy taste. That is why. Then I add some ginger and the garlic. Then now I'll just add some thyme. I add some nutmeg, some Aromat, then I'll add Maggi cube, and I'll give it a nice stir. Then after, I will just cover it to leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Because I want to steam the meat, I will not add water from the beginning, but after 5 minutes I'll add water on it. So guys, as you can see, this is the water that comes out of the meat, the stock of the goat meat. Why I'm doing it like this, it just gives the meat a nice taste. So after doing it like this for about 5 minutes, you steam it very well with the onion and all the ingredients. Then you now add water to the level of the meat. Then I will just cover it to cook for about 25 minutes. As you can see, I'll be cooking this goat for 25 minutes. It's so hard, guys. Sometimes that scares me a lot to use goat meat. Except you use your pressure pot or in this way you just cook. It's so hard, but never mind. I'll just cook it like this. So as you can see, the water in the tomato is already dried. I'll just give it a stir, then I will set it aside. So now let's start to cook our stew. I'll add my sunflower oil into my pot. I'll add some salt. Then I just pour in my onion. Then I'll cook the onions for about 1 minute. So now I'll just add my tomato paste. I will give it a nice stir. So guys, when you are doing this process, you need to lower your heat and you just give it a stir continuously. Don't stop, otherwise it will get burned. I just add my curry. I add some nutmeg. I just pour in my goat meat. Guys, I didn't fry this goat meat. I just grill it in my oven. I just use the oven to dry it like this because I don't like frying. So I just pour it inside my tomato paste. I'll cook it together. Guys, if I do it like this, it just give the goat meat a fine taste. So I'll just have to cook it with the onion and the other tomato paste for a few minutes, about 3 minutes. So now I pour in all the tomato, all the ingredients that I blend, that I cook together. Just pour everything in there. Then I will give it a nice stir. At this point, you can just lower your heat, your cooker. If not, it will splash all over your kitchen. So just lower your heater a little bit, your cooker. So guys, as you see, the stew is almost ready. And the oil, after you finish cooking, I just add the remaining ingredients. I just pour everything in there, the aroma, the nutmeg, the remaining things I just pour in there. I don't want to waste any of the ingredients. So after you finish cooking it, you can just filter the oil out of it if you know the oil is too much for you, because I don't like too much oil, but I just need the oil to fry the stew very well. Then later I now filter the oil out of it. So guys, that is all. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Our stew is ready. Share to your friends, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And you will see the notification bell. Just click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, that will remind you that Sade Ela Kitchen has a new video. You just come and watch my video. So guys, for the new ones in my channel, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for stopping by to watch my video. And for the old subscribers, you know we are one family now. I love you all, guys, and I'm going to see you in my video next time. I love you. See you. Ciao.